15 Business. You can start with $150, KSH 15000 or lower amount than that. 1. Restaurant. Food still remains the number one basic necessities of life before clothing and shelter. If you can do it right, it's one of the surest way to crossing the poverty line. 2. Fashion and tailoring services. From Paris to New York, Milan to Lagos, Beijing to Joburg, fashion statements defies national/ethnic boundaries. Different occasions demand special outfits. One can easily take advantage of the trend in fashion consciousness of the people to earn a decent living. 3. Rental business. People like to borrow, do-it-yourself rent professional equipment such as power tools, trucks, cars, electric generators, etc. For example, if you live in an area where property development is just springing up, venture into giving out building tools such as wheelbarrow, headpan, shovel, trowels, drums, ladders, scaffolding, sledgehammers, pickup trucks, etc. 4. Laundry/ironing service/clothes cleaning. Many working-class and career individuals do not have the time to tend to their laundry themselves because of the busy schedule of work or business. This is where you would come in and make money by doing a professional laundry service, especially in areas where power supply is erratic. 5. Make and sell customized jewelry and beads. Homemade costume jewelry sell directly to jewelry outlets, gift shops, hairdresser shops, clothes boutiques, and by selling on e-commerce shops such as Jumia, OLX, Facebook Shopify, Jeetbank Smemarketube, etc. 6. Game centers. A game center is a place where people mostly young come to play computer basic games like PlayStation etc. You can also provide space for refreshments like ice cream, snacks, soft drinks etc. You can as well provide a mobile game cabin for birthdays and get-together parties. This arrangement can fetch you good money if you get high-end clients. 7. Beauty salon/hairstylist. Hairstylists are usually busy. If you already have your apprenticeship training and experience, and loads of friends especially ladies under your belt, you probably have prospects that will follow you right home without any hesitation. You can have a unisex salon under one roof, get some boys and girls who are very good in weaving and braids, place them on salary or commission and your life will not remain the same. Interior decoration. Design some questionnaires for each major element and each major room in the house. Find out how the homeowner will use the home. Are there children? Suggest color separations for the painting of the rooms. Try and explore the use of wallpapers in room areas where traffic is high. Get hold of catalogs showing architectural masterpiece. Develop an interior model that suits your client's budget. Give them options and freedom to express their views on what you intend to do. 9. Football viewing center. With the emergence of DSTV, GOT, StarTimes, and other free-to-air satellite stations, people love to watch football where they could shout, argue and make fun or jests of other club supporters. Although it is not an everyday business, but the weekly income from viewing center could take care of the basic necessities required in the family. All you need is space that can accommodate up to 50 viewers. Get a DSTV dish and decoder, set up TVs and speaker unit for public attention. You can add refreshments such as biscuits, gala, soft drinks to balance the equation. 10. Second-hand materials. Second-hand materials either from abroad or locally sourced can often be bought cheaply at private sale, from markets and side street. The goods/items can be displayed on free advert platforms. It could also be displayed in a vehicle whether stationary or moving across town. 11. Campus/school photography. As a part-time business, you can offer to do it cheaper than the regular professional photographers, reason being that many students will want to keep memories of their campus activities. Contact schools, both private and government-owned in your area of proximity and put your proposition to the Directorate of Student Affairs. 12. Toy making. Our local toys are in high demand both locally and abroad. The humor in African folks and tricks favors this genre of technology. Games, game boards, masks, educational toys, models, puppets and other types are fancifully created to serve as income earner. Visit the beachside, amusement parks, stadium complex, trade fairs, swimming pool side, etc. and see many attractive toys produced locally. With little capital, you can venture into this business. 13. Phone repair services. This is another highly profitable small business. Some IT firms even offer to train people on phone repairs for free. Also, there are different software on how to repair, fix and troubleshoot any phone. Your ability to handle simple working tools is all that's needed to excel in this field of endeavor. 14. Household electronic repairs service, electronic items such as TV, radio, electric cooker, fan, blenders, microwave oven, mower, vacuum cleaner, etc. abound everywhere. Many of these items will develop a fault at one point or the other. If you are the type that always derive passion in repairing gadgets like these, it is a good spare time business, as there are useful manuals on the subject, or enroll for the training under a trained electrician. 15. Daycare service. Perhaps you have children of your own and the idea of taking care of a few more for part of the day appeals to you. Childcare needs continue to soar in this part of the world as the task of professional career seems to be more demanding. Many people prefer the option of their child being cared for in a home environment while they are at work, opposed to a more institutional-like setting. These things mean that a home-based childcare business can get off and running immediately. If you are living in at least a 3-bedroom apartment and there is an extra room unoccupied, take advantage of the extra rooms in your house. Talk to friends in the neighborhood who might need such services. Please subscribe and like the video. Thank you.